wallahi, when we were little, we used to talk about things. We used to say, you know what? One day you'll have a car that you just press a button, it starts flying. We've got it. We used to say, one day I'll be able to see the person I'm going to talk to. And then they would say, nah, that cannot happen. It can't be. Because televisions, just before 1990, I think, it was just the national TV, and you had to connect to it, and there were all these little black dots that you would get on a screen, and you had to fine tune it, and some of them were actually with a knob that you had to actually look for the channel and then clean it as best as you could, and you can watch something nowhere near the clarity of today where you can count the hair on my nose right now, but people enjoyed it. Oh, TV, that uncle's got a TV. And the TV was the size of perhaps a huge, what can I say, a generator of today, right? A huge television. Not these thin little screens. You just have a screen like the screens that we have, the ones on my sides here. Simple, thin, beautiful, clear, crisp, high definition, HD, and then HDD, and then something called, what's it called? 4 something. What's it called? 4K, 5K, and whatever else. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. You know what? With 5K, you can see what's not even there. You realized? You know why? We've arrived at an age where they can make you say words you've never said. It's happened to me. They can move your mouth and have your voice saying things you've never ever uttered, taking you places you've never ever been, and you see it in 6K and 10K. MashaAllah. Because the guy who did it is getting paid about 10K, 5K, right? MashaAllah. The world has changed. We have to face that reality. We have to face it. But guess what? Your connection with Allah, if anything, should only become stronger.